previous topic, we learned vowel. So in today's topic, we are going to learn Igbo mgbochiume consonant. Mgbochiume, that's the Igbo word. Then consonant is the English word. So mgbochiume bụ mkpụrụ ụda asụsụ a na-enwe mgbochi n'ikuku so mkpọpụta ha site na mmetụkọ organ okwu na ibe ya. What I mean by that bụ na mgbochiume dịka ị na-anya kịta, this letter is one of the mgbochiume. So ihe ọ pụtara bụ na mgbe ị na-agbalịsie ike, when you are trying to pronounce this word, na-enwe obstruction, na-enwe mgbochi from the air sac, see, from your voice to come out, your vocal tract to come out, na-enwe mgbochi mgbe a na-eme gịnị, mgbe ị na-agbalịsi ike, when you are trying to pronounce it. So, and when you are pronouncing it, you see the upper lip and the lower lip are being joined together. They are being touched. Like they. If you look at me, now you see as I'm pronouncing it, the upper lip and the lower lip is being closed, is being touched. So in English, consonant is a speech sound that is produced by partial or complete obstruction of the air stream by any of various constriction of speech organs. Do you understand? The speech organs such as B, sh, v, f. Look at the f. My teeth touch the lower lip. Ch, g. See, anyway, obstruction in the air that comes out from my mouth. G. Even my tongue comes down. My teeth touch my tongue small. We, see, we, and so on. So mgbochiume Igbo dị 28. What I mean by that is that Igbo consonants are 28 in number. That is 28 means 28 in English. Ha bụ ndị a. They are the following. They are B, Ch, V, F, G, W, G, W, J, K, P, W, L, M, N, 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 O, P, I mean to say P, R, Sh, T, V, W, Y, Z. I repeat. B, Ch, V, F, G, W, Y, W, J, K, B, W, L, M, N, N. You see these two letters. If you see the symbol, they are the same. What differentiates them is this dot, this hyphen. If you don't want to use hyphen, you can use dots. When, N, P, R, Sh, T, V, W, Y, Z. So we have 28 consonants in Igbo. Igbo consonant, it is what, 28 in number. I repeat what mgbochiume is all about in English. Mgbochiume, that is consonants in English. Consonant is a speech sound that is produced by partial or complete obstruction of the air stream by any of various construction of the speech sound, speech organs, such as it can be fi, wi, gi, wi, gi, wi, ri, wi, and so on. Ugbu a anyị ga-eneba anya na nke n'ụdị mgbochiume, that is the different types of consonants. There are lots of different types of consonants, but in this video we are going to treat two parts of them. So enwere mgbochiume mkpị na mgbochiume nge. This is the first set of Igbo consonants. We have the different parts. We have mgbochiume mkpị na mgbochiume nge. This mkpị, I mean in English, it means that it is two. It's a combination of two letters. But this nge means one. It's only one letter. So as I'm teaching it, you will understand it more. Enwere mgbochiume mkpị na mgbochiume nge. So in this video, as you are looking at it now, we're going to treat mgbochiume mkpị. Anyị na-ebe anya na this mgbochiume mkpị. Ka anyị mata those letters, those alphabets that are called mgbochiume mkpị. Ha dị itoolu. So this mgbochiume mkpị we are talking about is 9 in number. That is what itoolu means in Igbo. In English, itoolu is 9 in English. A na-akpọ ha mkpụrụ mkpị. So if you are asked, kedu ife mere eji akpọ ha mkpụrụ mkpị? The reason of they are called mkpụrụ mkpị, that is combination of letters, is because they are two. It is two letters. Like for instance, sh is a combination of C and H. So it has two letters. Ha bụ, they are. Ha bụ, they are. Chi, wi, ri, wi, e, we, nwe, nye, sh, chi, wi, ri, wi, e, we, nwe, nye, sh. You see the difference? This one, some people call this one chi, then they will still call this one chi. No, this one is ch, but this one is sh. Chi, ch. This one has bridge. Just bridge it when you are calling it. So mkpụrụ mkpị, as we call it, dịka akpọrọ ya, ha dị itoolu. Itoolu pụtara 9 in English. Itoolu means 9 in English. A na-akpọ ha mkpụrụ mkpị. Ihe eji wee na-akpọ ha mkpụrụ mkpị is what they are being combined. Two letters are joined together to make it one alphabet, or one alphabet. Yes, abede. So, like I've said earlier, that they are 9 in number. Be mkpụrụ nge. The first one is called mkpụrụ mkpị. So the second one now is mgbochiume nge. That is mkpụrụ nge. Ha dị iri na itoolu. Iri na itoolu. That means they are 19 in number. A na-akpọ ha mkpụrụ gịnị? Nge. They are single letters. And where there is nothing like combination with other letters. Do you understand? They are single. They are only one. If you look at them on the board now, you see it. Unlike the other one, for example, mkpụrụ mkpị. We have G and W. We. Do you see it? So this mporonge, they are 19 in number. Have, they are. Be, ve, fe, ge, I, ji, ke, le, me, ne, n, pe, re, s, ti, vi, wi, I, z, be, de, fe, ge, I, je, ke, le, me, ne, n, pe, re, se, te, ve, wi, I, z. Mgbochiume nge. Ha dị 19. They are 19 in number. A na-akpọ ha mkpụrụ nge. So if you look on the board now, you see it. Like I've said, enwe nke na ụdị mgbochiume na the different types of mgbochiume. So we have listed 2. Mgbochiume mkpe na mgbochiume nge. Mgbochiume gịnị? Mkpe na mgbochiume nge. In our next video, we'll look into other words nke na ụdị mgbochiume, yeah, the different types of words mgbochiume until we are done with it. So in today's video, we have treated 2 of them. We have treated 2 of the Igbo word consonants. Thanks you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and also share to your loved ones. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video.